news that we are tracking today, and a tragedy in Kolkata this morning. A fire broke out in a tightly packed marketplace there, the Surya Sen market near Shialda. The death toll right now stands at 19.
The injured have been admitted to the Calcutta Medical College and Hospital. This is a congested old locality of Kolkata, and many labourers who work at the plastic market sleep inside those buildings, which is why the death toll is high, even though the fire broke out at around 4 a.m. this morning. Even before the flames were doused, though, politics started over the tragedy. The state government is blaming the left, saying the market is illegal and came up during the left rule. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee visited the site, but that brought rescue operations to a standstill. Our correspondent Priyanka Gupta is getting us the extent of the damage from the Surya Sen market.
We are inside the Surya Sen market where a fire broke out at 3:50 a.m. today in the morning, claiming several lives. You can see there the state of the market is completely dark. Most of these items are caked with smoke and soot, and there's a lot of water that's flowing in. Of course, we do know that fire officials were trying very hard to battle the flames for several hours. Many of daily wage earners as well as labourers were sleeping in these premises where the fire broke out and engulfed them, completely catching them unawares. We know that the Chief Minister has announced compensation of 2 lakh rupees to those, to the families of the deceased, and 50,000 to those who've been injured. A probe committee has also been formed to look into the matter and also submit a report in 36 hours. Because in Kolkata, this is Priyanka Gupta.
I'm standing right in front of the Calcutta Medical College morgue, where bodies of the 19 ill-fated victims of the Kolkata fire tragedy today have been brought. The autopsy is currently being conducted here, and as you can see right here, the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has been staying put, overseeing the process herself. She is being accompanied by some of the senior members of the Bengal cabinet who are staying put over here. You can see some of these ministers who are personally managing the situation at this place. The Kolkata Police Commissioner, you can see standing right next to Mamata Banerjee. He is also staying put over here, trying to manage the situation right now. There is a tension, an underlying sense of tension that is prevailing in this area, especially because some of the victims' relatives have started coming in. The bereaved victims of relatives of the victims are starting to come here at this place. Mamata Banerjee says that she would stay put until the entire process of autopsy is conducted and completed and the bodies are handed over to the respective relatives of the victims.
The Calcutta Police, Fire Brigade and Municipal Corporation will conduct a probe into the fire. They will file a report soon, and then we will take appropriate action. The fire was caused by unplanned urban development in earlier years. There are several other such areas in Calcutta which are fire traps.
2 महीना हुआ नतून नया कमेटी फॉर्म हुआ है, तो इस सब से हम लोग जो रूल रेगुलेशन है उसको फॉलो अप कर रहा है। केएमसी को भी हम लोग इन्फॉर्म किए हैं, वो लोग का भी नॉलेज में था, मगर हम लोग का 2 महीना से हम लोग जो माने नया कमेटी जो है, हम लोग सब जगह हम लोग चिट्ठी किए थे।
जो ओरिजिनल ओनर है मार्केट के वो भी नहीं है यहाँ पे?
वो यहाँ पर कोई नहीं आया है, खाली मार्केट कमेटी का आदमी लोग है, स्टॉल होल्डर सब यही पर है।
How long do you think this politics of blame game is going to continue, sir? Do you think it's about time to just put a stop to it and put the heads together and start working?
During these 34 years, this type of unauthorized illegal markets have popped up in the whole of Kolkata and West Bengal. Why they have not taken action? Why they have allowed it to construct an unauthorized market like this? The left front is to be blamed.
You've been in power for 2 years, sir. Poriborton came change. They should have been Poriborton here as well, sir.
Do you think we have got a magic lamp, Alauddin magic lamp, that will just rub it and say everything to be in order? 34 years of misrule cannot be taken care in 1.5 years or so.
What is the action plan now, sir?
Action plan is government has instituted a committee, probe committee here. It will come out with a report and suggestion what to do in the within 3 days. Our Honorable Chief Minister herself has come here and announced a compensation of 2 lakhs for each of the victims who have died and 50,000 for the victims who have been injured.
It has been ensured that everybody has been rescued, and blaming this was going for blame game for anybody on the side of the government or on the side of the opposition right now here in this spot is an irresponsible job. If anybody has done it, it is most irresponsible. Okay. An inquiry has to be done.
Thank you.
After the inquiry, if we are not satisfied or anybody not satisfied, there should be more independent inquiry from the higher level.
We've heard these statements before. We've heard the blame game and the promises before. Not the first time Kolkata has been witness to such a tragedy. Let's take a look at some major fire tragedies that have taken place in the city over the past few years. December 2011 was the AMRI hospital, one of the worst fire tragedies in any city in India. 90 people died in that hospital after that fire. In March 2010, there was a fire at the Stephen Court building. Again in Kolkata, 43 people were found dead after that. Kolkata's Bara Bazar has a history of regular fire tragedies. The worst one was seen in January 2008 there. It lasted for 4 days before the flames could be doused. In November 2006, 11 people died in a fire tragedy at a leather factory in Kolkata.